Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix network problem on iPhone 17 Pro Max. If your iPhone does not get network signal after inserting the SIM card, showing no SIM card or no service, if internet is not working, then today's video is for you. Don't worry, I will provide you with a complete solution to any network issue on your iPhone. Number 1. Airplane mode. You can use airplane mode to instantly fix network or calling related issue. Now open the quick panel by swiping down from the right side. Now you will see airplane icon here. Turn on airplane mode once. Then turn it off after a few seconds. Guys, after doing this, your network signal will be refreshed and all network related problem will be solved. Number 2. Phone restart. If airplane mode does not solve your problem, then you can restart your iPhone once. Sometimes due to technical issue, temporary network problem may be occur on your phone. So you can try restarting your phone once. Restarting means you have to turn off your iPhone once, then turn on after a few seconds. This process will automatically fix all your iPhone problems. Number 3. Remove SIM card. Your iPhone support both physical and eSIM card. If you are using a physical SIM card, remove it. Now clean the metal part of the SIM with soft cloth and insert it again into your iPhone. After that, you will see a strong network signal and your problem will be solved. If you are using eSIM card, then open your iPhone settings. After opening the settings, tap on mobile service. This is your eSIM card. Now turn it off once. Then again turn it on. After that, your network problem will be solved. Guys, a few days ago, I converted this Jio SIM from physical SIM card to eSIM card. When there was a physical SIM card, the network signal was very strong. I have been experiencing weak network signal ever since I switched to an eSIM card. If this happened to you, please let me know in the comment section. Now the solution is to delete eSIM from your iPhone and you convert it again to a physical SIM card. After that, you will get a very strong network signal. You can convert eSIM to physical SIM card from your SIM operator store. Number 4. Network reset. If there is no problem with your SIM card and you don't want to replace your SIM, then you need to perform a network reset to fix your iPhone network system. This process will not delete any data like photo, message or apps and eSIM card, but it will remove saved Wi-Fi password, VPN configuration and any cellular settings customized by your carrier. So keep this thing in your mind. Now go to iPhone settings. After opening the settings, tap on General. Scroll down and find Transfer or Reset iPhone option. Then tap here. Here you will get two options, Reset or Delete all content and settings. Now tap on first option. In the Reset menu, tap on Reset Network Settings. Now enter your iPhone passcode. A pop-up will appear asking you to confirm. Tap Reset Network Settings. Your iPhone will restart and all network settings will be reset to their defaults. After that, all the network problem of your iPhone will be solved. I hope this video will be helpful for you. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates.